Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Command Prompt with Administrator Privileges. That level lets Windows read saved Wi-Fi profiles. Once done, type netwlan show profiles to list saved wireless networks. You'll see profile names under User Profiles. These are the keys to the next step. Make sure the device actually connected to the network before, otherwise there's nothing saved to reveal. Pause here until you see the exact profile name spelled exactly as listed, because the next command needs that exact string. Next, you run a profile-specific command to extract the stored key. Type netwlan show profile name equals profile, key equals clear, replacing profile with the exact profile name you noted. This command asks Windows to display security settings and, importantly, the key content field. Once executed, scan the output. Under Security Settings, you'll find key content showing the plain text Wi-Fi password. If nothing appears, make sure you use the correct profile name, and to finish, record the key content exactly and close Command Prompt when done. If key content is missing, check that you used an elevated prompt and the profile was actually saved on this PC. If not, you can't retrieve a password that was never stored. For remote or locked accounts, run the same command on the target device with permission. If commands fail, try rebooting or creating a new administrator session. Permission issues are the usual culprit, so resolve rights before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.